black eyed beans have been soaking for almost 6 hours now. You can see I'm going to grind it into a nice coarse mixture without adding any water. So you can see a nice coarse and consistent mixture. Now I'm going to add a few ingredients to this. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, salt for seasoning, 1 teaspoon, 1/2 teaspoon cumin seeds, curry leaves chopped a few, 2 green chilies finely chopped, a piece of ginger finely chopped, 1 large onion finely chopped, but I'm just going to add half of this, fresh coriander leaves. Once you've mixed all the ingredients in, taste it. If you require a little more salt, you can add. Take a little batter and pat it to small patties and gently drop it into the oil. There you have a different option to your usual vadas that you make at home, either the masala vada or the medu vada. Do try this vada, it's very tasty, I guarantee that. Soak the sago in water for about 2 to 3 hours before you make the vada. It has to be nice and soft when you touch it. First I'm going to make a powder of the peanuts. Take about 1/2 cup of roasted peanuts, make a fine powder. So now I'm going to mix all the ingredients together. First take the potatoes, you can use 1 large or 2 small or medium sized potatoes, boil it. Next you can add the green chilies and the ginger. Add cumin powder, about 2 teaspoons. Add salt, sago, the peanut powder, chopped coriander, squeeze some lemon juice, and just gently mix all the ingredients together. You can check for seasoning once you've mixed everything. Dab a little water, it can get a little sticky. So take small portions of the mixture for the vada, just flatten it like patties, don't make it too thick, and make sure your oil is nice and hot, and gently slide them into the oil and just deep fry them. There you have these yummy, crunchy and tasty sago vadas. You can try them and you can actually have them during your tea time or serve it when you have guests home. So do try it. The chana dal has been soaking for more than 2 hours. You can see. I'm going to take a handful of that and keep it aside. We're going to mix it later into the batter. Now I'm going to grind the remaining chana dal for the vada batter. So add some salt while grinding. This is the consistency that you're looking for. So while grinding, make sure you don't add any extra water, because the dal has already been soaking for more than 2 hours, so it's quite soft, and just use the moisture that's already in the dal to grind the dal for the batter. Now I'm going to add all the ingredients to this batter and mix it. Gently mix it in. Since I've already added salt while grinding, I'm not adding any extra salt. Check for seasoning and then add if you need or if you require. So finally add the extra dal. So this is your batter for carrot masala vada. So just dab a little water on your palm. Take a little batter, flatten it out. This is the size that you're looking for your masala vada. Make sure the oil is hot before you gently place it into the oil. What better way is there to enjoy your tea or coffee other than having it with vada? So here's a wonderful recipe that you can try, and the best way to enjoy it is with fresh coconut chutney. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Flame.